Hello, Showtimers! Today I'm unboxing Beat Off. It's an X-Racer. I'm going to open the Beat Off X-Racer. How do you get this thing? This is a thing, it's super easy. Looks like I'm going to eat something. And it has off-road tires. And they're clear. There's an engine in the middle. And it looks clear. And it looks super cool. And because I like it because it's all clear and there's a silver on it. And it looks like it goes faster and faster and faster again. And it looks like cool can eat something. I'm finished. Goodbye, Showtimers.